Can you guess a single word for a real unhappiness? Well, there are a ton of them anyway. But if you can think really deep, there is just one word which causes real unhappiness. That is expectation on others. If you think personally, professionally, spiritually, and in any other way, if you're not happy with something, if you dig enough, it's all because of you have some expectations from others. You expect something personally or professionally or anything. To fix this problem, if you can spend a couple of minutes and think from others' perspective that if they're not able to meet your expectation, can you do something to meet their expectations? Just think about this. If you can satisfy them with their expectation on you, at least 50%, they will take care of you in every matter. It's guaranteed. It always works. Think about it. Try once before you say it doesn't work.